The splash pad in Wetumpka is now open. It's June the 23rd, 2023, and what a gorgeous day to go play in the water at the splash pad. The splash pad is conveniently located on Lancaster Street behind the football stadium at the sports complex. It's a great place to take the kiddos and let them cool off on these hot summer days coming up. Anyway, it's free of charge, and I'll post a link below to where you can see some more pictures and the rules and regulations that pertain to the splash pad. Plenty of free parking. Again, conveniently located behind the football stadium there at the sports complex. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Now go ahead and load up all the kiddos and take them to the splash pad.